I think everyone loves a goldfish. How to draw a goldfish? How to paint it? The body of the goldfish is a little bit smaller. So I'm going to draw it a little bit smaller like this. A little bit diamond shape. Something like that. And then I'm going to make the tail really, really long. Like this. I'm going to folding it like this way. Here you go. And this open a little bit. And the folding down over here. And you can draw it however you want because the fin, the tails, the fin, it's just floating in the water. It can be any way you want, like this, like that. And over here, that looks good, right? And the top over here has the back fin. Okay, like that. That's good. Now come to the body. So we first taking care of the big shape in the goldfish. Like that. And this is the head. And I have the eye right over here. Okay, that's good. And then have a little fin in the front over here. At the front like that. And over here. And also moving. That's nice. Right? That's how we draw the goldfish. Let's give a little bit more definitions, a little bit confirmation over here. I'm going to have this a little bit higher. And I'm also going to keep the pencil in the watercolor painting. Okay, like that. Here you go. Now coming down over here. You also can change however you want. Okay. Now, open up a little bit. I'm going to moving it like this. Here you go. You can moving around, make it nice, like floating in the water. And then from here, I'm going to have it up a little bit, like that. And have another one is have two sides of it, like that. And over here on the other side, floating on this way, I'm going to have it floating a little more in here. Like that. That looks cute. And the eye just look like a little circle. That's good. And here you go. Now we're going to start do the painting. First, I'm going to do it wet into wet. And what's that really mean? That means I'm going to apply the wet color first and have the color melt into each other. First, I'm going to mix the yellow with the red color. I'm going to have a little bit more pure red. So I have a little bit more yellow. Now I'm going to start painting from the back over here. I'm going to have a lot more water. Here you go. Like this. And both sides. Okay, mix a little bit more color. Here you go. Okay, I'm going to have this color also to the body. Also the top over here, I'm going to have a little bit darker at the bottom. I'm going to have a little lighter color at the top. Okay. Like that. Nice. Also, the little orange color. Now I'm going to wash my brush. I'm going to get a little bit more yellow color into here. Here you go. Now I'm going to, at the top over here, have the color blend into each other. So this wet into wet. I can even have the color coming out like this. A little soft at the top. Use the water, the soft at the top over here, a little bit more. And also have a little yellow color. Extend the color at the bottom over here. Okay. That's good. And I'm going to have a little bit more red color into the orange. And I'm going to have the color blend it into the little lighter yellow color, like that. Here you go. Now I'm going to have a little bit more red color. Here you go. In the back over here, I'm going to have more red color. So now the paper is already wet in this area. And with this red color, the red color would softly blend in into the existing color. Oh, that looks good. I'm going to have a little bit more yellow color. So make it look more like an orange color. I'm going to have it a little bit at the bottom over here. Here you go. Like that. And also going to have a little bit suggestions of the scales. And I can come back to give a little bit more suggestions a little bit later. So I'm going to have this color coming up like this. Just have fun. Okay. Focusing on fun. Okay. And the tail over here, I'm going to have a little line. Here you go. And like that. A little red color coming out. That's good. I'm going to have a little yellow orange color. Extend the color on the back over here. Here you go. Extend it to see a little texture. That's good. Like that. And let it dry a little bit more. And I come back. I'm going to use this smaller calligraphy brush. They have the red and the yellow. Now, if only these two colors, you only can make the red and orange color. And now, I'm going to come here to make this a little bit darker. Now, here you go. A little bit more detail. I'm going to add a little line like this. A small line. Here you go. Like that. Small. Very soft. That's good. Now I'm going to continue. Have a little bit more red color. Coming over here. Here you go. Like that. Okay. And then I'm going to have a little red color to suggest the scale. Here you go. Like this. And a little bit more scale on the top over here. And here you go. They're probably a little bit, they're probably good enough. So what I want to do, I'm going to have a little yellow color. Now blend the yellow color over here. And then over here, I'm going to have a little line. Suggest those fins. It's very soft. Some texture. Like that. It's very easy to do, right? You won't get wrong. Any suggestions, any direction is fine because it can be floating in any direction. Like that. That looks good. Now I'm going to have a little bit separate the front and the back. And the back over here, a little separation. Like that. I need to use the water to soften it. Maybe also add some yellow color. Here you go. Like that. That's good. Now I'm going to soften a little bit over here. Like that. And I have a little red color. Now I'm going to have a little bit suggestions the texture of the fin over here. I'll also separate the one at the front and the one on the back. Now I come into give some dark color for the eye. How can I mix the dark color? Just get the blue color and the red color. And that is dark enough. Okay, now let's take a look. I'm going to leave a little bit light shape in the middle, like that. That looks good. That's look like the eye. Maybe I have a little bit gray color, and I have in between over here, and that's good. Now this goldfish is finished. Now I hope you have fun painting this goldfish. And in the comment, please let me know what would you like to paint next.